Struggling while trying to choose between SolidWorks and Fusion 360? Here's the real question. Do you want a tool that's easier to learn and widely used in industry, or a full all-in-one system that covers design to manufacturing? SolidWorks is a professional 3D CAD software, mainly used for product design, parts, and assemblies. In real workflows, engineers use it to design mechanical parts, create detailed drawings, and prepare products for manufacturing. It's one of the most widely used CAD tools globally, especially in companies and engineering jobs. Pricing is not free. There's usually no full free plan, but trials are available. A standard license is around $2,820 per year and can go up to about $4,700 per year, depending on the package. That makes it a premium tool, but it's valuable because many jobs require it, so you can start earning through employment or freelancing once you learn it. But it does have some downside. It runs only on Windows and can feel expensive and heavy for beginners or small projects. Fusion 360 takes a different approach. It's a cloud-based platform that combines CAD, CAM, and simulation in one tool. In real workflows, you can design, test, and even prepare your product for manufacturing without switching software. It offers a free personal use version with limitations, which is great for beginners, and paid plans start around the mid-range subscription level, commonly around $70, $85 month depending on region. That makes it easier to start without upfront cost, and many people begin earning by designing products, 3D printing, or freelance work quickly. But see it with some downside. Because it's cloud connected, performance depends on your system and internet, and some advanced features are locked behind the paid version. So in practice, SolidWorks is best if you want industry standard skills and plan to work in engineering companies. Fusion 360 is better if you want an all-in-one tool, lower starting cost, and flexibility for learning or freelancing. They do compete directly, but here's the real difference. SolidWorks gives you stability, industry demand, and deep mechanical design tools, while Fusion 360 gives you flexibility, cloud access, and full design to manufacturing workflow in one system. So, if this helped you decide, go ahead and like the video, subscribe for more simple comparisons, and tell me if now you understand the differences. And I'll see you in the next one.